welcome to Retail Therapy.
We're not going to tell you who we are because we figure you should know that by now.
And if you don't, shove it. No, just
Yeah, or you know.
Pretty much everyone that watches are like our Facebook friends anyway, so.
Yeah, because nobody else cares.
Yeah. Hi, Mom.
Hi. My sister did tell me the other day, here's a shout out to the Shriners people.
Oh.
My sister told me the other day that her people at work were like, oh, there's a new video, we have to watch it.
Shriners.
So it's good thing we have family.
Yeah.
So,
Thanks,
really
guys.
good thing. Okay, so today we are looking at hair stuff.
Fake hair.
Fake hair.
I feel like I'm going through kind of like one of those hair crises. Where you've had the same hair for so long that you want to do something but not something you'll regret.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's like, it took so long to grow out because my hair was like yours for a long time. And then I grew it out and it took forever, and now it's been long for like 6 years, and now I'm getting bored. Mm-hmm. But I have nightmares that I cut it and I hate it. Oh, so I'm like, maybe I should get bangs. So I Googled like fake bangs because I wanted to see like what I would look with bangs. How do you open this? Okay, sorry. So I ordered clip-on bangs.
Is that a pig?
Stop it.
Oh no.
What
no.
is it though?
No, I thought this was its snout.
Oh, it looks like it.
Yeah, it's not. Okay.
Okay, open the clips. Wear it on your head and press the clamp to make it close. Please use your own hair to cover the edge of the bangs to make them combined. It's separated. Combined as a whole. Please use the comb to comb it well and then complete the adorn. Okay. Thank you for your purchase with Kevin. Thanks, Kev. Okay, so it looks like she parts her hair, doesn't it? She's got her hair in a part.
Parting.
Okay. Now, I can already tell this is going to be awesome. Okay, open the clips, stick the clips in, close the clips. Okay.
Now please use your own hair to cover the clips.
Okay. So where are the clips?
They're in
Right
there. You
there.
can't even see them.
Okay. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Ah!
Look at you with bangs.
What do you think?
But I think part of
Are
it
they
is...
too far back on my head?
No, but I think...
These little side doohickeys
I don't-
we got
what
going
it-
on?
Is this a tail?
What
I
is
don't
that?
think that
Is this a
belongs.
mullet?
I just think that if
Is
it
it to
blended...
gradually blend it in?
Like if it blended better into your sides.
Okay.
You know what it does though? It makes your hair look like a wig.
Oh, it makes my whole head look wiggy.
I just feel like, okay, let's take them out. Take them out.
Okay. Well, plus look at the top.
Well, that's where you're
That's
supposed to
weird.
please use your own hair.
Okay.
But that's it. There,
That's
now
the
we got it.
That's what we're going for.
But you know what I mean? It's
Yeah,
like, it's
like
almost...
we need some more hair to cover that, but where is it going to come
Yeah, where's
from?
that going to come from?
You know what I wonder? Well, if it would be better like in a ponytail.
Ooh, let's ponytail you.
Okay. My ponytails never look cute. I think people do things to their ponytails to make
But
them cute.
they want it to look like they just haphazardly
Yes.
threw their hair in a
And it
ponytail,
looks
but they didn't.
so cute. And
They
mine
didn't.
doesn't. Mine is literally like drowned rat.
Mine is like this big around. So
Oh.
it's like my hair's all slicked back and then it's like,
And you don't have that. There's a trick.
Weird.
Tell us the trick.
oh. I look like Velma. I look like Velma from Scooby-Doo.
Ah! Oh my gosh! It is complete wig head.
Thanks, girl.
I kind of like it.
You like me?
Well, it's just so different.
It would
see it?
definitely cover all my forehead wrinkles.
There you go. That was one reason I thought about getting bangs.
But it's very like I feel like I should have a ruler and
Yeah,
slap
yeah.
something. I kind of love it.
What?
See, but I think your side wingies
Yeah?
would have to go.
Maybe that would cover some of the crap.
I remember
Yeah.
my sister will remember this. She used to like lean her head over and she'd spray it with hairspray and then blow dry it, and it was like this massive.
It would just come straight out. Or you had the ringlet. Like if your hair was pulled up, you had the ringlets on the side. Did you have that?
Yeah, I hated it.
Okay.
Okay, that's better. Look at it, you're sassy.
What if I just put a bow right there to hide that?
That will take you back to Greece.
To Greece.
To Greece.
Oh, like Greece lightning, not the country?
Not Greece, yeah, not Greece.
Not Mamma Mia?
I almost think that your
But
pony needs
there's
to
no,
be like.
oh, what if I cover this with my ponytail?
See, now you're talking.
No, see, this is a group effort of brainstorming. That's how things
clear
work.
up on top.
That's how things work.
No, yes.
Yes? Is it covering the clip? Do I need to go up higher?
No, unless somebody is 6'4" and is standing above you.
Oh yeah, because that's true.
But it's a little, you know that. Okay. Do you ever watch Saturday Night Live?
Yes.
And what's the Stuart?
Yes.
Stuart. Come over here to your mama. Like your hair is bowl cut like Stuart's.
Yeah.
This is a little Stuart.
Yeah, it's too straight across. What about you?
Not. I mean, I don't know what this is.
I don't either. I think it's like here's here's what it is. Hold still. I think this is legit what it is.
What?
Now you can wash your face.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just what you always
Like it.
needed.
And then you could stick the. Yeah.
Oh.
Not so much.
Oh, sorry.
Wow.
Sorry, I
They
just
do.
aggressively shoved your hair back.
Okay. It's from a guy. So a guy named Kevin, and
I guarantee you his name is not really Kevin. Oh!
What? Okay.
I don't know what
Okay.
those are, but this
Either.
Kevin lied about his name.
I know. Kevin is
Kevin. There's no
working in a sweatshop.
There's
somewhere.
no Kevins in China. Give us your suggestions. It's January, so tell us how to lose all that sugar weight that we put on in December. If you have any miracle products for that.
Oh,
There's no such thing. Don't lie to me.
there's
Don't
not.
try to trick me. Okay, thank you for watching.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.